see, like, this way, I don't know, like, just because we haven't done it, it's sketching me a little bit, but, like, at the same time, like, I'm just trying to learn it, go through it. What the hell is that? Untreated road. Oh, fucking Christ. I was like, what? Yeah, just because this is throwing, like, completely different way. Holy fuck. Like, this feels weird because we're going down, but then we're gonna go fucking up. That fucking corner, it always, like, breaks up a little bit there. Yeah. Take the outs. Oh, shit, yeah. I think I just scared the crap out of that prison CRV. No, me. Because I was like, the way I was coming into that corner, like I was coming like right towards the fucking center line. Right? Yeah. I could never imagine dragging knee through this shit. Like, fuck, I'm slowing way the fuck up for this shit, and this isn't even really, like, I mean, it's technical and shit, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure there was a dead snake in the road. Yeah, it does. There's a lot of them. Could be. What's that? Oh. Yep, he's fucking flying through here again. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it was. At least I could say this, that I'm glad I know how to fucking trail brake even when I'm in a corner. Like, I know exactly how to do it, when to do it, how hard to do it, and shit like that. Like, so like if I do come in just a bit too much, I could still fucking correct it. Yeah. Fucking Grom Squad! Yeah. Dude, you know, I did think about this. Now that we passed those Groms and that fucking supermoto, dude, it would be a fucking tear to go through here on a Grom. Because you figure you're only, those things are maxed at like 50. So you'd be able to just throw that fucker all over the place. Like, the only thing I'd be afraid of is because I'm so tall, and on a Grom, I'm like bare on a fucking tricycle. But like, I think it would be a blast. Could be. That could very well be. I think that's the third time we've seen him today. Oh, fuck, that just scared the fuck out of me because I thought it was you. Jesus Christ. Like, all I heard was pow. As long as you're good. Oh yeah, I see you. Okay. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, I know what it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I haven't seen any of the fucking camera guys at all yet. I think they all packed up. Holy fuck, you're way up there right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're like a good 3 corners ahead of me right now. Be careful, man. Oh, get the fuck out of my lane, dude! What the fuck? Dude, like... Oh, that person in that fucking Lincoln is lucky that we're on the Dragon. Because if we weren't, I would have turned around and went fucking after them. Like, they were full 2 tires in my lane. Like, I couldn't even commit to that corner. Like, I had to actually let all the way off. There's that S2000 and that Subi again. Like, that was the most sketchy, like, dude, like, I came into that corner earlier and thought I might go off, and that was sketchier than that. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, cut out. Oh yeah. Yeah, he is. Yeah, trust me. Thankfully, I was flicking back to the right because I was like right on the fucking center line. Okay. Oh, fucking van, yeah. Honestly, like, I feel like I'm pushing harder on this side. Okay. I feel like, whoa, what's going on here? Oh, they're pull out, yeah. Like, I feel like I'm pushing harder going up than I was down, but at the same time, I'm more sketched out because, like, I feel like if you low side going down it, like, I feel like you have a better chance of not going off the mountain than this. If you low side it in a corner, you have a better chance of going off of it. So, I mean, maybe that's just me, but I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's... Yeah. I felt like when I was hitting, like, right in the middle of that corner where Killboy was, like, I feel like I was on the fucking ground. Or damn near on the ground. Like, you know, it's bad that I have this much confidence going through here, but I have zero confidence going through 55. And I don't know why that is. Like, you would think I'd have less confidence going through this shit. What's that? Okay. I'm still here, don't worry. I'm sure, well, it was cutting off for a while. So, and I'm like, man, he's probably wondering if I'm still here or not. Disconnected. Fuck. You there? Tom? Okay. The fucking, we lost connection completely because you were too far ahead at one point. I'm pretty sure I just saw your tail light, so I think anyways. Yeah, now I see your taillight. Or did, anyways. Oh yeah, now I see you. I feel like this side of the road is kind of fucking bumpy, well now anyways especially.